Lesson 1. How to draw chibi eyes. In this lesson, we are going to focus more on how to draw the big and shiny eyes of chibi characters. We are going to discuss other important face details after this lesson. Chibi eyes are really expressive and attractive. It is also the most distinct feature of a chibi character. Big eyes also contribute to making the chibi character cuter. Tips and pointers. If you are a beginner, I suggest you use these patterns first. Once you already have an idea on how to draw chibi eyes, you can start drawing your own versions. Try to experiment using your own style and techniques. Always keep the chibi eyes attractive and expressive. The eyes should be able to fully express the character's emotions. Here are some popular chibi-style eyes. Step-by-step instructions. Draw a curved horizontal line. This line will be the eye's upper brim. Then, draw an oval. This will be the eye's iris. Make sure that the upper brim will be on the upper part of the oval. You can also draw a small curved line, lower brim, below the oval. Now that we have the iris, it's time to add details to make the eye look more attractive and shiny. Draw a circle and an oblong inside the iris. You can put the circle on the upper right or left of the iris, while the oblong is located on the lower part of the iris. These shapes will be colored white, serving as the eye's highlights. After drawing the highlights, it is time to add the pupil and the eye color. It will be a lot easier for you if you just draw a bubble lettering U or J in the middle of the iris. Then, color it with any color that you desire. Lastly, color the remaining parts and spaces on the iris black. Here's how to apply the eye pattern to your drawing. We will discuss the other details after this lesson.